Fortunately, I must say all the fires are contained. We're currently dealing with a few incidents, which is also contained. It's about 8 incidents at the moment, but all small and manageable at this stage. We actually had, as from 1st of January up to now, vegetation fires to a total of 243. Total incidents were 337, which include your 6 accidents, 58 building fires, electrical fires, other incidents, rubbish fires, and transport fires. Our vehicles took a heavy beating during this few weeks, but we still operationally capable of dealing with any incident within the metro. But I must also add that our firefighters, it wasn't for their commitment during this period, we would have had serious losses, and they contained the fire, although we didn't even have any aerial support during that time. But they have contained most of these fires successfully due to commitment.